brand new Lotus Eletre S. In Hungarian, it means coming to life, an apt representation of one of the most exciting electric SUVs in the market. I'm Darren, and welcome to our All Access vlog.
This Lotus Eletre, with its massive 800-volt electrical architecture, underwent a vehicle protection program consisting of a signature detailing, a custom installation of ClearGuard Alpha paint protection film, and our flagship high-performance tint Spectra PhotoSync IRD. We began with our most popular 100-man-hour signature detailing program, designed to cater to varying degrees of complexities depending on the condition of each vehicle. This program seeks to address a myriad of existing imperfections and defects with the aim of a complete showroom display transformation. This unit came with the stunning solar yellow paintwork. A multi-stage paintwork correction and refinement process elevates the finish, achieving maximum depth and clarity. As with all our programs, preservation is a key objective. With that in mind, a detailing program starting with the least abrasive approach, with medium and heavier abrasives used only to address problem areas. Whilst the paintwork is being detailed by our team of specialists, a second team of detailers began on the coachwork. A combination of dry ice blasting, which uses -78-degree ice pellets to subject the contaminants that were previously bonded to the coachwork components to thermal, impact, and expansion shock, paired with steam cleaning and manual detailing work, ensures that the vehicle looks absolutely perfect. Once the exterior sections of the car is completed, a hybrid ceramic coating system is applied and cured via infrared lamps in sequential layers, building additional layers of gloss and brilliance. This hybrid ceramic coating serves as a pre-layer before the PPF system is installed. The 22-inch 5-spoke gloss black forged wheels with carbon fiber wheel trim cladding from the extended carbon pack were also detailed and treated with a hybrid ceramic coating system to resist brake dust and road contamination, allowing for ease of wash. The futuristic Quartz interior upholstery, which consists of fine nappa and refiber natural fiber composites from Freiburg-based Becom, then undergoes a combination of dry steam cleaning to prepare the surface, and a complete 5-stage leather feed system is applied to moisturize and protect the finish inside. The other interior components are then treated with a UV protection system, giving protection against the tropical weather conditions. Next in place was a custom installation of ClearGuard Alpha, the world's most advanced paint protection film system. With its carbon-based plasma healing system, ClearGuard Alpha can heal fine swirls and scratches at ambient temperatures without the need for a heat gun or hot water. ClearGuard Alpha provides up to 400% more protection to your paintwork than the original factory clear coat, keeping your car looking its best for years to come. Even the carbon fiber wheel trim cladding has its own paint protection film. With our much desired custom installation, the Lotus Eletre S has a virtually seamless finish with no exposed edges. The car was completed with Spectra PhotoSync IRD high performance tint, the world's leading heat rejection tint with up to 81% TSER, extraordinary clarity, and a limited lifetime warranty against performance degradation. Experience a new level of comfort, additional safety with perfect visibility, and a range of VLT options from bright interiors to complete privacy. Made in the USA.
If you'd like to protect your brand new electric car, give us a call. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Till next time, goodbye.